How to set signing order. Go to Upload a file and upload. Select Signers from the drop-down button. You can set Parallel Order. It is an order in which all the signers can sign at a time. Sequential Order. It is an order in which a particular order is set, and until the first person in the existing order signs, the others cannot sign. Hybrid Order. As the name suggests, user can drag the signers and add them together for parallel signing order, and the ones not dragged can be set in a sequential order. Select e-signature. Add placeholders and drag and drop fields of your choice in the document. Select Finish.